More than likely, Bednar will throw another piece of cheese at the top of the zone, and Stowers is going to have to lay off of it.
There's a swing and a line drive into the corner. Fair ball! A walk-off winner on opening day!
Look at him come out of the dugout!
It's the first walk-off in Marlins history on opening day, and it comes courtesy of Kyle Stowers.
How about that? You said last time Dan Marino threw the first pitch out, though, it was a really positive day, too.
Marlins out hitting the Pirates 6-4. Runners at second and third, nobody out. In the 0-2, Stowers rips down the right field line. That gets in, and the ball game is over. Kyle Stowers with a line shot down the right field line, and it's a walk-off winner for the Fish on opening day. Sanoja taps the plate. The Marlins mob Stowers in right center field. They rip off the jersey, and oh, what a way to start off the campaign. 1-0 with an exclamation point. 5-4, a walk-off winner. It's the first opening day walk-off in the history of the franchise. Kyle Stowers with that RBI single to plate Javier.